the sheer motion and creation, the purity of using different elements of color and light and film and developing a story, that's what it's about for me. It's not about like, oh, look at me, look what I can do. Oh, aren't I cool? Get my good side, you know? No, it's not. It's not about that. It's a science, and if film and art is used right, you can improve someone's life. You can improve their quality of living. You can improve their happiness.
There is a place that offers tranquility, that offers a wisdom. A kind of wisdom that we too often don't get out of the everyday hustle and bustle. Too often we have people who come along, who try to make a difference in this world, who try to use facts and evidence to actually back up and support God, to actually back up and prove the validity of God's word. Too often those people are viewed or they are looked at as fanatical rather than just being looked at as people who observe, people who genuinely care, people who genuinely want to try to get people to benefit from the truth of God's word and from the truth of his second book, which is the natural world, which is nature itself. In the book Steps to Christ, it testifies that both revelation and nature alike testify of the love of God.